Yeah, there's a pretty significant difference because you have to develop a case, and in order to develop a case, you have to have the resources in which to do that. A lot of people don't realize how much work goes into a personal injury case. It starts from the moment that you contact your lawyer. An investigator goes out to the scene and collects evidence, pictures of the scene, any street signs, skid marks. A lot of folks think that the police do this at the accident, and they generally don't unless it's a special case, like a death case, and a special team is assigned. And even then, they're not always very thorough. In addition to the initial investigation, we meet with the client. We find out what all harms and losses they've suffered, if they're able to work, if they've lost income. Maybe they haven't lost income, but maybe they've lost their capacity to earn income. We gather their medical records. We talk to their doctors. When necessary, we hire experts, folks that would go out to the scene of an accident and reconstruct it. They would download the black boxes off of the vehicles. They would measure the crush on the cars. All of that has to do with liability and fault and the extent of damages. Sometimes we hire experts that are medical experts that can testify about unique injuries like traumatic brain injuries that require specialization. Something else that's done is proving the damages. Sometimes you have to get a life care planner to show, if because of your injury you're going to have to take Tylenol twice a day for the rest of your life, well, that can cost thousands and thousands of dollars over the course of your life, not counting if you have to have bandages or prosthetic legs or rehab or therapy. Also, to show what the value of those damages are and what they cost over a lifetime, you might have to hire an economist. So there's a lot of work that goes on a case behind the scenes. Obviously, if someone's in a minor car accident and has a soft tissue injury and goes to a chiropractor, it's not going to be as extensive as somebody that gets a traumatic brain injury or has a spinal process involved, or some other more significant injury, loss of a limb, blindness, those type of things.